Namaste everyone. Thanks once again for contributing to Listener's Choice, which is going for a noble cause. And yesterday, we all have switched off our lights and shown our unity towards the fight against Corona and thanking all those personalities to save lives according to the instructions given by our Honorable Prime Minister Manya Shri Narendra Modi ji. I am very confident that very soon we all will get out of this turmoil and be healthy again. And once again, grateful for contributing to this program, which definitely helps a lot of needy. Today's first choice happens to be of Mr. Narendra Nath, a Kannada song written by Chi Uday Shankar, composed by Rajan Nagendra ji. The film Chandanada Gumbi.
ಆಕಾಶದಿಂದ ಧರೆಗಿಳಿದ ರಂಭೆ, ಆಕಾಶದಿಂದ ಧರೆಗಿಳಿದ ರಂಭೆ, ಇವಳೆ ಇವಳೆ ಚಂದನದ ಗೊಂಬೆ, ಇವಳೆ ಇವಳೆ ಚಂದನದ ಗೊಂಬೆ, ಚೆಲುವಾದ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಚಂದನದ ಗೊಂಬೆ, ಬಂಗಾರದಿಂದ ಬೊಂಬೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಚಂದಿರನ ಕಾಂತಿಯ ತನುವಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿದ, ತಾವರೆಯ ಅಂದ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದ, ಈ ಸಂಜೆ ಕೆಂಪನು ಕೆನ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿದ, ಆ ದೇವರೇ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿದ, ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಆಕಾಶದಿಂದ ಧರೆಗಿಳಿದ ರಂಭೆ, ಆಕಾಶದಿಂದ ಧರೆಗಿಳಿದ ರಂಭೆ, ಇವಳೆ ಇವಳೆ ಚಂದನದ ಗೊಂಬೆ, ಇವಳೆ ಇವಳೆ ಚಂದನದ ಗೊಂಬೆ, ಚೆಲುವಾದ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಚಂದನದ ಗೊಂಬೆ, ಚಂದನದ ಗೊಂಬೆ, ಚಂದನದ ಗೊಂಬೆ.
As I already explained, sometimes I am not able to give the names of the people who are asking for them for obvious reasons. Sometimes the bank account is not showing their name, only telephone numbers, or sometimes they are sending messages and mails also. It's very tough to search from them. But anyway, in general, I am choosing the songs from your requests only. There is no second thought about that. In case I miss to utter somebody's name, please don't mistake that I am against you or against your name. Thank you. You are very kind, very, very kind. Next song is a Hindi number written by Samir ji, music by Nadim Shravan ji from the film Sajan. The request came from Avantika Rajan.
बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम, बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम, कसम चाह ले लो, कसम चाह ले लो, खुदा की कसम, बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम. हमें हर घड़ी आरज़ू है तुम्हारी, हमें हर घड़ी आरज़ू है तुम्हारी, होती है कैसी सनम बेकरारी, मिलेंगे जो तुमको तो, मिलेंगे जो तुमको तो बताएंगे हम, बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम। कसम चाहे ले लो, कसम चाहे ले लो, खुदा की कसम, बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम।
At this juncture, I should definitely express my gratitudes to our Sri Ram, the singer, who is doing a similar sort of show and totally giving the collections he had, and he is contributing them to our good cause. Sri Ram, namaste, and thank you very, 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 very much. And day before yesterday, along with Sri Ram, the Saraswati Swarupa, Rajesh Vaidya and Veena also participated. He is also donating all that collected on that evening to our cause, to SPB Fans Charitable Trust. And Mrs. Shweta Mohan, she is also doing a similar show, and she is also contributing whatever she is getting out of that show to SPB Fans Charitable Trust. We are all grateful to you, and God bless you and your families and your friends. Thank you very much. The next choice is by Mr. N. Nagaraj. He asked for a song from the Telugu film Sitakoka Chiluka, written by Shri Veturi Sundara Ramamurthy ji and composed by Ilayaraja ji. It's a duet by myself and Shailaja. I'll try to sing both the voices now.
మాటే మంత్రము మనసే బంధము, ఈ మమతే ఈ సమతే మంగళవాద్యము, ఇది కళ్యాణం కమనీయం జీవితం. మాటే మంత్రము మనసే బంధము, ఈ మమతే ఈ సమతే మంగళవాద్యము, ఇది కళ్యాణం కమనీయం జీవితం. ఓ మాటే మంత్రము మనసే బంధము. నీవే నాలో స్పందించిన ఈ ప్రియలయలో శృతి కలిసే ప్రాణమిదే, నేనే నీవుగా పూతావిగా, సంయోగాల సంగీతాలు విరిసే వేళలో మాటే మంత్రము మనసే బంధము, ఈ మమతే ఈ సమతే మంగళవాద్యము, ఇది కళ్యాణం కమనీయం జీవితం. ఓ మాటే మంత్రము మనసే బంధము.
Next song is the choice of Shri Shive Gowda, composition of Vidyasagar, lyrics by Vairamuthu sir, from the film Karna. This was originally sung by Janki ji, myself, and Jeans Srinivas ji. I'll try to do my best.
మలరే మౌనమా మౌనమే వేదమా மலர்கள் பேசுமா, பேசினால் ஓயுமா அன்பே மலரே, மௌனமா மௌனமே வேதம்மா. பாதி ஜீவன் கொண்டு தேகம் வாழ்ந்து வந்ததோ, மீதி ஜீவன் உன்னை பார்த்த போது வந்ததோ, ஏதோ சுகம் உள்ளூருதி, ஏனோ மனம் தள்ளாடுதி, ஏதோ சுகம் உள்ளூருதி, ஏனோ மனம் தள்ளாடுதி, விரல்கள் தொடவா விருந்தை பெறவா, மார்போடு கண்கள் மூடவா மலரே, மௌனமா மௌனமே வேதம்மா. மலர்கள் பேசுமா, பேசினால் ஓயுமா அன்பே மலரே, மௌனமா மௌனமே வேதம்மா.
Next song I am singing on the request of Shri Kaushik Gaud. Thank you for your contribution, sir. This song is in Kannada, written by Geeta Priyaji, music by Sarvashri Rajan Nagendra, from the film Hombisilu.
Hey, 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 ho, 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 ah, ah, ah. ನೀರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ದೋಣಿ ಸಾಗದು, ನೆಲವ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂಡಿ ಹೋಗದು, ನಿನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ, ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿನ್ನ ಜೀವನ ಸಾಗದು, ಜೀವನ ಸಾಗದು. ನೀರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ದೋಣಿ ಸಾಗದು, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬರದೆ ಕಮಲವೆಂದು ಅರಳದು, ಚಂದ್ರನಿರದೆ ತಾರೆಯೆಂದು ನಲಿಯದು, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬರದೆ ಕಮಲವೆಂದು ಅರಳದು, ಚಂದ್ರನಿರದೆ ತಾರೆಯೆಂದು ನಲಿಯದು, ಒಲವು ಮೂಡದಿರಲು ಮನವು ಅರಳದು, ಮನವು ಅರಳದಿರಲು ಗೆಲುವು ಕಾಣದು, ಮನವು ಅರಳದಿರಲು ಗೆಲುವು ಕಾಣದು. ನೀರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ದೋಣಿ ಸಾಗದು, ನೆಲವ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂಡಿ ಹೋಗದು, ನಿನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ, ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿನ್ನ ಜೀವನ ಸಾಗದು, ಜೀವನ ಸಾಗದು. ನೀರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ದೋಣಿ ಸಾಗದು.
Next request is from my good friend R.G. Narayan for a song written by Sri Pulamai Pittan, composed by Sri M.S. Viswanathan ji, for the film called Koottupuzhukkal.
நித்தம் நித்தம் என் கண்ணோடு இன்பக்கனா, நெஞ்சம் எங்கும் வெண்பந்தீரை சிந்தும் நிலா. நித்தம் நித்தம் என் கண்ணோடு இன்பக்கனா, நெஞ்சம் எங்கும் வெண்பன்னீரை சிந்தும் நிலா. இளமாலை நேரம் வந்தாய், விழிவோரம் ஏதோ சொன்னாய். இளமாலை நேரம் வந்தாய், விழிவோரம் ஏதோ சொன்னாய். எதையோ நினைத்தாய், சிரித்தாய், ஓடினாய். நித்தம் நித்தம் என் கண்டோடு இன்பக்கனா, நெஞ்சம் எங்கும் வெண்பன்னீரை சிந்தும் நிலா. மண்ணிலே வீடு கட்டி ஆட வந்தாய் நேற்று, நெஞ்சிலே கூடு கட்டி வாழ வந்தாய் இன்று. மண்ணிலே வீடு கட்டி ஆட வந்தாய் நேற்று, நெஞ்சிலே கூடு கட்டி வாழ வந்தாய் இன்று. அந்த மலரும் நினைவு தோன்றும், அதில் உலகம் மறந்து போகும். அந்த உறவு தொடர வேண்டும், இன்பக் கனவு பலிக்க வேண்டும். I think I goofed up this line. Let me sing again. அந்த மலரும் நினைவு, அந்த மலரும் நினைவு தோன்றும், அதில் உலகம் மறந்து போகும். அந்த உறவு தொடர வேண்டும், இன்பக் கனவு பலிக்க வேண்டும். I'm sorry, I didn't sing it well. Give me a second, I'll come back. One more take from the Charanam. மண்ணிலே வீடு கட்டி ஆட வந்தாய் நேற்று, நெஞ்சிலே கூடு கட்டி வாழ வந்தாய் இன்று. மண்ணிலே வீடு கட்டி ஆட வந்தாய் நேற்று, நெஞ்சிலே கூடு கட்டி வாழ வந்தாய் இன்று. அந்த மலரும் நினைவு தோன்றும், அதில் உலகம் மறந்து போகும். அந்த உறவு தொடர வேண்டும், இன்பக் கனவு பலிக்க வேண்டும். நித்தம் நித்தம் என் கண்டோடு இன்பக்கனா, நெஞ்சம் எங்கும் வெண்பன்னீரை சிந்தும் நிலா. இளமாலை நேரம் வந்தாய், விழியோரம் ஏதோ சொன்னாய். இளமாலை நேரம் வந்தாய், விழியோரம் ஏதோ சொன்னாய். எதையோ நினைத்தாய், சிரித்தாய், ஓடினாய். நித்தம் நித்தம் என் கண்டோடு இன்பக்கனா, நெஞ்சம் எங்கும் வெண்பன்னீரை சிந்தும் நிலா. Sorry for all the mistakes I have done. You are very, 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 very broad-minded people. Thank you.
Next song is requested by Sadhvi Maithili ji for her grandmother. Sadhvi Maithili గారి అమ్మమ్మ అన్నపూర్ణమ్మ గారి కోసం ఈ పాటను అడిగారు. It's a Telugu song written by Veturi Sundara Ramamurthy ji. Music by my good friend K.M. Radhakrishnan from the film called Godavari. It's a solo number with a lot of choral support, but yet. ఉప్పొంగిలే గోదావరి ఊగిందిలే చేలోవరి భూదారిలో నీలాంబరి మా సీమకి చీనాంబరి వెతలు తీర్చు మా దేవేరి వేదమంటి మా గోదారి శబరి కలిసిన గోదారి రామచరితకే పూదారి ఏసై చాప జోర్సై నావ బార్సై వాలుగా చుక్కానే చూపుగా బ్రతుకు తెరువు ఎదురీతేగా ఉప్పొంగిలే గోదావరి ఊగిందిలే చేలోవరి భూదారిలో నీలాంబరి మా సీమకే చీనాంబరి సావాసాలు సంసారాలు చిలిపి చిలక జోస్యం వేసే అట్లు వేయంగానే లాభసాటి బేరం ఇళ్ళే ఓడలైపోతున్న ఇంటి పనుల దృశ్యం ఆరేసేటి అందాలన్నీ అడిగే నీటి అద్దం ఏం తగ్గింది మారామయ్య భోగం ఇక్కడ నది ఊరేగింపులో పడవ మీద రాగా ప్రభువు తాను కాగా ఉప్పొంగిలే గోదావరి ఊగిందిలే చేలోవరి భూదారిలో నీలాంబరి మా సీమకి చీనాంబరి వెతలు తీర్చు మా దేవేరి వేదమంటి మా గోదారి శబరి కలిసిన గోదారి రామచరితకే పూదారి ఏసై చాప జోర్సై నావ బార్సై వాలుగా చుక్కానే చూపుగా బ్రతుకు తెరువు ఎదురీతేగా ఉప్పొంగిలే గోదావరి ఊగిందిలే చేలోవరి భూదారిలో నీలాంబరి మా సీమకి చీనాంబరి. Next song is in Hindi, choice of Sri Dilli Rao ji, lyric by Anand Bakshi ji, music by Lakshmikant Pyarelal ji, from the film Ek Duje Ke Liye, my first straight Hindi song. By God's grace and by everybody's blessings, I got my national award also for this song, and my friend Kamal Hassan performed so beautifully. This is for you. तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना, मैंने नहीं जाना तूने नहीं जाना, मैंने नहीं जाना तूने नहीं जाना, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना। एक डोर खींचे दूजा दौड़ा चलाए, एक डोर खींचे दूजा दौड़ा चलाए, कच्चे धागे में बंधा चलाए, ऐसे जैसे कोई ऐसे जैसे कोई दीवाना, ऐसे जैसे कोई दीवाना, मैंने नहीं जाना तूने नहीं जाना, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना, अनजाना ये बंधन अनजाना। ज़रूर ये बंधन आपके और मेरे बीच ये अनजाना है. You have been very kind with me, brought me up to one station today, and you have been part and parcel of me for the past 54 years. Very kind of you, very grateful to you. And once again, thanks for all the contributions. And don't forget to follow the rules, the regulations the government has asked us to do. Asked us to do. Please, I don't want to go into details anymore about this one. Let us not connect this issue with caste, creed, religion, whatnot, and politics. Now, this coronavirus is one enemy against everyone in the world. Let's together fight against it. That is our motto and that is our duty. Take care. I'll meet you again with your next choices in the next program. Sarve jana sujana bhavantu. Sarve sujana sukhino bhavantu. Namaste.